Good morning, Bukana Beach, Ternate, Cavite. Ito guys, yung mga kasama ko guys. Naligo na sila guys. Shout out, shout out. Woo! Ito yung paligid nila guys. Yan, Bukana Beach, Ternate, Cavite guys. Yan. Wow, kagabi pa kami rito guys. Yan. Eto guys, yung area nila guys. Napakalinaw ng tubig ngayong umagang ito. At ito na guys yung mga kasama ko guys. Naligo na sila. Yan, shout out, shout out. Woo! Team Pasaw sa dagat. Vitamin C. Yan guys, ito na guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Guys, ito munang update guys.